In the animal kingdom, the ultimate rule is to kill or be killed. Animals who are at the bottom of the food chain continue to do everything they can to stay alive, while at the top of the food chain, the most dangerous predators continue to sharpen their hunting skills, leading to some of the ugliest and most horrifying killing strategies you can ever imagine. In today's video, we'll be looking at the top 10 most horrific ways that animals kill their prey. Number 10. Crocodile. We start out with one of the most clinical predators in the animal kingdom, the crocodile. Crocodiles have perfected the art of killing. There are not many animals who can match them when it comes to the work, dedication, and patience that they put into their attack. Crocodiles have a long body, short limbs, and are very heavy, so they find it difficult to move swiftly on land, making them very weak hunters on that terrain. However, when in water, they are cold-blooded killing machines. Crocodiles are known as ambush predators because of their stealthy attacks. They will hide in water for hours if necessary, patiently watching their targets, who are often totally oblivious to the danger that lurks beneath the waters. Then, once the prey is within reach, with stunning speed and precision, crocodiles will lunge out of the water, grabbing their prey and dragging them under, in an attempt to drown them to death. This is often accompanied by violently shaking their catch, tearing them to pieces in the process. For the prey, this is a violent and horrific way to die, but for the croc, it's like James Bond's martini, shaken, not stirred. Number 9. Golden eagle. The golden eagle is one of the most recognizable eagles in the northern hemisphere. It is also the most widely distributed species on the planet, which is one of the reasons why it's so popular. Another and very important reason for its popularity is that it's one of the most potent predators around. It has mastered the art of killing by developing several ways of capturing its prey. In one of its most disturbing killing methods, the golden eagle glides through the air and springs a surprise attack, diving in on its prey and grabbing it with its claws, before launching itself high up into the air. In a shocking and brutal move, the eagle then releases its prey in mid-air, allowing it to fall hard into the mountainous terrain. Many times, the prey falls instantly to a painful death, but if the golden eagle suspects that the prey is not yet dead, it grabs the animal again and throws it down to the earth repeatedly until it finally dies. Number 8. The African wild dog. The African wild dog is a skilled hunter, so skilled that it's regarded as the most efficient predator in all of Africa. The wild dog is built for the kill and is believed to have been biologically adapted specifically for hunting. These dogs are endowed with giant graded teeth that are designed to shred and tear flesh with ease. Their giant graded teeth and incredible bite force, combined with their ability to work so incredibly well and synchronized in a pack, allow the dogs to successfully catch and rip into their targets, opening them up from the moment they are subdued. The perfect combination of all of these factors is what makes these dogs such efficient and brutal killers. Wild dogs will often chase down their prey until it tires out. Once it tires out, 2 or 3 members of the pack bite the animal in its most vulnerable parts, including its underbelly and private area. The dogs will continue to bite these areas until they tear open the skin. Once they do, they eat the animal alive from the inside out, devouring its internal organs like its kidney and intestines first. The worst thing about this death is that it takes very long for the dogs to get to the animal's heart or intestine, so the animal has to lie there, enduring the pain as it's being eaten alive. Number 7. Asian giant hornet. The Asian giant hornet is an efficient predator. Just 30 hornets can encamp around a honeybee's nest and kill up to 30,000 honeybees. They do this by picking up worker bees as they leave and enter the nest. Known as the largest member of the wasp family, Asian giant hornets can grow up to 2 inches long, bearing stingers that are able to penetrate clothes and light plastic materials. They use these stingers to devour their prey by mercilessly decapitating them before eating them whole. These stingers are also filled with a powerful venom that is capable of causing serious pain while breaking down the flesh of the prey. This is a fly you don't want to mess around with. Number 6. Orca. Also known as the killer whale, the orca is, in fact, the largest member of the dolphin family, thus making it not a whale. Orcas have adopted various techniques to catch their prey, depending on the type of animal. They've been known to charge at seals stranded on floating pieces of ice and shoving them into the sea before grabbing them and devouring them. But they don't just eat them. They first play with the seals, throwing them around and passing them to the baby orcas to teach them how to catch prey, all while the seals are still alive. In some cases, orcas will drown whale calves alive before eating them, and in some others, they'll deliver karate chops to sharks before killing them. Number 5. Chimpanzees. The way chimpanzees hunt monkeys is one of the most tactical yet disturbing things you're ever going to see. The chimps attack in groups. One chimpanzee acts as a driver, pushing all the monkeys into a place where they are easily trapped. 2 chimpanzees stationed on either side act as blockers to close off the way of escape for the monkeys. 2 other chimpanzees act as runners. These are the ones who actually try to grab the monkey, and there's one alpha male who goes ahead of the others to ambush the monkeys from the other side. Rounded on all sides, the monkeys are left without a way of escape. When the chimps finally get their hands on the monkeys, that's even when the gruesomeness starts. The chimps literally rip out the monkey's limbs while it's still alive, feasting on its internal organs. That is certainly one of the most painful ways to die. Number 4. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses are misunderstood creatures. They are largely believed to be calm, but they can be ferocious beasts when they want to be. They are equipped with large, intimidating tusks and a series of sharp teeth. And despite their super heavy build, these beasts can run up to speeds of 30 kilometers, making them more than capable of chasing humans. It is no wonder that they are responsible for more human deaths than any other mammal. They often overturn boats with people inside and watch them drown. There are 2 main ways hippos kill their prey, both equally gruesome. First, they can trample upon the prey. With a humongous 1,800 kilograms of weight, they will literally crush the animal's bones, leaving them to die a long and painful death. The second way they kill their prey is with their powerful jaws. Hippos have a dangerous bite, and when they want to attack, they often go for the midsection, snapping the animal in half. Number 3. The pitcher plant. The pitcher plant is an exception to our list. Although it is technically not an animal, its carnivorous nature earns it a spot on this list. The pitcher plant is a compound name for several carnivorous plants that capture their prey using deadly fly traps. Most of their victims include insects and flies who meet a gruesome death when they fall into the pitcher plant's trap. To attract prey, the pitcher plant uses nectar and visually stimulating leaves to lure unsuspecting insects into their trap. The trap almost always has a smooth leaf, so that when an insect lands on it, the smooth leaf guides them into the fly trap. Once in, the insect finds itself in a deep cavity filled with liquid in which it drowns. The pitcher plant then devours the insects by releasing enzymes into the fluid in the cavity, which break down the insects to make them easily digestible. Number 2. Secretary bird. Do not be deceived by their charming looks. The secretary bird is no gentle creature. This fearless creature is a seasoned hunter. They often hunt in pairs and primarily consider insects and small mammals as prey, although they also love to hunt black mambas for some reason. For more about that, see our video on animals that kill nature's scariest animals, link in the description. These predators are skilled at using their feet to stomp the life out of their prey before picking them up and swallowing them whole, or tearing them into 2 with their razor-sharp beaks. It has to be said, being stamped to death is no proper way to die, but these secretary birds couldn't care less. Before we look at our top pick for today, for more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss any of our future uploads. Number 1. Leopard seal. If there's anything we've learned from today's video, it's that looks can be very deceiving. Leopard seals may come across as cute, friendly, and helpless creatures, but that is only a facade. Leopard seals are in fact the apex predator in Antarctica. They are tactical hunters who hide underwater while keeping a close eye on their prey, which is primarily the penguin. After biding their time and waiting for the right moment, leopard seals attack penguins with lightning speed, leaving them with no time to react. Before they have any clue what's going on, the penguin is locked in the jaws of the seal as they are violently shaken underwater until they suffer a truly painful death. Which one of these was the most horrific? Let us know what you think in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this video, here are 2 more videos like this one, which we think you'll also love. Kindly check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.